Morning students, welcome back. We will recite the poem today as well as I'll explain the poem to you. Okay students? And I'll give you question answers also. You have to solve it in your notebook and tomorrow we'll have a test also on that. Okay? The poem name is Bridge. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the sea and cloud sails across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. But the bow, that bridge is heaven. And overtop the trees. And build a road from earth to sky is prettier far from than this. Boat sails in the river, ship sails in the sea, but cloud sails across the river are prettier than these. The poet is telling like that. The boat is sailing in the sea, but ship is also sailing in the river. So boat is like only sailing in the river, but me ship is sailing in the sea, big sea. But the cloud, what he says, I am sailing on the sky. Isn't it very nice? So I am more prettier than boat and ship. So it is so I am very pretty. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. So the poet is telling that what boat, what ship, what cloud. Now I am a river. On me there are many bridges. I am more pretty than you all. So how pretty you are? Like that only the river says that I am pretty because of bridge. Understood? But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. So the poet is telling like bow. And the bow is nothing in this. It is a rainbow. You all know a rainbow. After rain, rainbow comes in the sky. There are 7 colors. So the rainbow is called as bow in this poem. So the poet is telling that rainbow is like a bridge. It goes direct to heaven. Like it is showing like I am going direct to heaven from the overtops of the tree. And there is a tree, and over top of that tree only there is a rainbow I can see. So you understood now this line? And build a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So the poet is telling that when we walk on the road, we see that the sky is touching to the road. So the sky is touching to the earth. So we can jump on the sky directly. Yes, na? When we see from far, we see that sky and road is touching only. So we can also we can also jump, we can also walk on the sky. So it is more prettier than boat, ship, bridge, rainbow. Yes, so I am more best, I am more pretty. Understood? So the poem, what is the poem name? Bridge. So I'll ask you some questions. Okay? Who sails in the river? Boat. Who sails in the sea? Ship. Who sails in the sky? Boat. Boat? No. No. Cloud. What is on the river? Bridges. Yes, bridges. So you will write the question answers, opposites, meaning, and you will draw the picture as well as you will write the name of the pitches. Okay, students? So did you like the poem? Yes. So you will sing the poem with me. Bridge. Boat sails on the river, boat sails on the river, and ship sails on sea, and ship sails on sea. But the cloud sails across the sky, but the clouds that sails across the sky, as prettier than me, as prettier than these, as prettier than these. There are bridges on the river, there are bridges on the river, as pretty as you please, as pretty as you please, as pretty as you please. But the boat that bridges heaven, but the boat that bridges heaven, overtopped and trees, overtopped and trees, overtopped and trees. And Balsa Road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. And Balsa Road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Did you like the poem, students? So you will learn the poem also. Okay, students? Bye. Meet you soon.